HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used to create web pages. It's the backbone of a website, providing the structure and content that the web browser renders to the user. HTML consists of a series of elements, represented by tags, keywords surrounded by angle brackets. These tags are used to define different parts of a web page, such as headings, paragraphs, links, images, lists, tables, forms. Multimedia HTML documents typically consist of 1. Doctype declaration 2. HTML element 3. Head element 4. Body element. HTML is an essential skill for web development, and is often used in conjunction with other technologies like CSS, for styling, and JavaScript, for dynamic effects and interaction. Want to know more or have specific questions about HTML? Please subscribe.